Okay, we are looking at day 6 for tops and bottoms. Today is writing day. So let me share my screen here. Our goal, team cooperation goal, is still active listening. So think for a minute about what that looks like and what that sounds like. Remember, when you're active listening, you're paying close attention to the speaker and you're listening quietly. Our reading goal is drawing conclusions, word powers, word families. In writing today, we're going to be writing an advertisement. So in tops and bottoms, we read that that Hare and Mrs. Hare opened up a vegetable stand. Sometimes people sell vegetables from a truck that they park on the side of a road. Today, you will imagine that you have a vegetable stand and you're going to write an advertisement for it. You've probably seen many advertisements. There are advertisements on TV and in newspapers and magazines. They're usually short. Advertisements get your attention and make you want to buy, see, or do something. Let's look at this advertisement. Look at the questions at the beginning of the advertisement. Tired of the hot weather? Do you need a cold drink? Advertisements usually begin with a title or a headline. This gets the reader's attention and makes him or her want to read more. You can ask a question like the sample we just read, or you can just use a statement. So this one asks the 2 questions. Tired of the hot weather? Do you need a cold drink? So most people would want a cold drink whenever it is hot weather. So there's also other parts of the advertisements too. The words that make it up are called a copy. The copy of this advertisement includes certain information. So it says, come to 1545 Evergreen Street to get the coldest drink around. Enjoy the best lemonade in town at Leora's Lemonade Stand. Leora's. The stand is open Saturdays and Sundays from noon to 5 p.m. Notice that they said what time and where. That's important information if somebody wants to go to your lemonade stand. A glass is just 50 cents and the lemonade is always made from freshly squeezed lemons. So notice they give a price here, providing the price. They want to know that before they visit somewhere. It says there is plenty of ice in each glass to cool you down. If you have questions, and it gives the phone number, ask for Leora. So it's nice that it has a phone number just in case people have questions. They also included words like coldest, best, and freshly. They make the lemonade sound really good. So remember that we should include information such as how much a vegetable costs or when the stand is open and 2 reasons why people would want to visit our vegetable stand when we're writing that. So let's look at the writing prompt says, at the end of tops and bottoms, we learned that Hare and Mrs. Hare opened a vegetable stand. Imagine you have opened your own vegetable stand. Include a statement or question at the top of your advertisement, just like we saw in the other one. Include a statement or question. Oh, sorry, I just read that. Include the vegetables that you sell at your stand, the price of the vegetables, where the stand can be found, and the days and times that your stand is open. Give 2 reasons that people should visit your stand. Include a phone number where people can reach you if they have questions. Use complete sentences. So here's how this is going to be scored. It says, the top of the advertisement includes a statement or question to get the reader's attention. So remember, when we looked at this one, it had these 2 questions at the top that got our attention. The advertisement includes the vegetables sold at the stand, the price, where the stand is found, and the days and times the stand is open. So each one of those things is worth 10 points. So that's 40 points. So 1 for each thing. You're going to have the vegetables, what kind of vegetables, the prices, where you can find your stand, and the days and times the stand is open. Then the advertisement tells 2 reasons people should visit your stand. So these are things that make them want to come. So those are worth 15 points each. The advertisement includes a phone number where people can reach you. This is a made up phone number. You don't have to put your actual phone number. The advertisement is written in complete sentences, and that's worth 10 points. Okay, so it's important to plan whenever you're writing. That way our thoughts and ideas are organized when we write them down. The best way to plan for writing is to use a graphic organizer. Today we're going to use a web. This is going to help make sure that we include all the information we need as we write our advertisement. So for example, if you are watching this, just watching the video and you're not with us, let's see. Actually, you know what? I'm going to just show you, I'm going to try to write it on here. So for example, in the middle of this, you would have the vegetable stand, right? So the whole thing is about, hold on, there's got to be a easier way here. Here we go. I'm just going to write that in here. So your whole web is about the vegetable stand, and this is just going to help you plan what you're writing. So if I wanted to like make some of the categories from what the rubric told me, I need to remember to put the price. So then you're going to list out some of the prices. You're also going to think about adding in the phone number. Remember, you don't have to use a real one. And then maybe you're thinking about your vegetables sold at the stand. So you're going to want to put those on your web. So that way, when you actually do your advertisement, you'll remember that you need to have that. Where the stand is found. So think about where you're going to make up that you can find your stand. And then you're going to include 2 reasons. Remember that people are going to want to come to your stand. So reason 1 and reason 2. So this is just to help you kind of plan how to write your paragraph that you're going to write, to plan your first draft. Okay, so I'm going to show you, let me clear this off. So if you need to stop the video here, you can. Get out of this, sorry. Okay, so look at these sentences. Vincent's vegetable stand is open and has a lot of vegetables. 2 says, if you want crunchy, healthy vegetables, Vincent's vegetable stand is the place for you. Or 3, have you been looking everywhere for fresh and tasty vegetables? Or 4, do you need to buy vegetables? So which of these questions get your attention? Maybe you said number 2 because it made the vegetables sound really good. Or maybe you said number 3 because it says that their vegetables are fresh and tasty. So why do you think number 1 and 4 didn't get your attention as much? Well, 1 just said the stand was open and had a lot of vegetables. That doesn't sound very interesting or make me want to go. And question 4 just asked if I needed to buy vegetables. It doesn't say why the stand would be a good place to go. So make sure that whenever you're writing your advertisement, you are thinking about those things and include reasons that your reader might want to visit your vegetable stand. And I like how they use like the exclamation points to show that it's exciting. All right, I look forward to reading your advertisements.